Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick intro to the mask. We have to wear them, might as well make them as comfortable as possible. Whenever you get your mask, there actually is a nose piece. There's a metal piece on one end. So if you kink it, that'll fit over your nose better. Do a little stretch through the face piece. Okay, whenever you put it on, never touch the blue color. Always only touch the elastics, putting it on and putting it off. If you kink it over your nose and tuck it under your chin, then that'll make it so that it stays in place. If you wear glasses, put your mask on first, and then whenever you put your glasses on, they'll sit on the edge of your mask and keep the nose piece in place, okay? If you find that it's really, really tight, you actually can stretch the elastics a little bit to give yourself a little bit more space. Important things, covering your nose, covering your chin, and never touch the color. Whenever you're taking it off, take it off by the elastics and away from your face. Don't let it dangle, don't wear it